Some time back, I had scouted Kanamangala Lake in the evening to assess if it is worth my while to come for a photography. If you haven't seen that video, where I also got caught in the rain, I will leave a link up here. This time around, I am armed with my tripod and zoom lens. I am here early in the morning before sunrise, and as you can see, it is beautiful. I am unable to do justice to the scene due to the small camera with which I am recording. Hopefully, you would be able to see the rich colors in my photos. The composition that I am trying to get is center that tree in the middle of the frame and capture the reflections on the water of this and the other trees against the horizon. It is pretty cold morning, the air is fresh and early risers haven't yet reached the park. The only sound now is the chirping of the birds. Here, I am trying to get the composition of that grass. I am trying to get a minimalistic shot by isolating it from other distractions. To get a better composition of the shoots of grass, I move the tripod closer, and I think I've got a good one. The sun has risen over the horizon and the lights are much better than it was when I reached. It must be pretty evident to you on the video quality, and that is the sun. Let me try another composition. The sky is beautiful with a shade of reddish orange. I am going to keep the sun in the background and capture the tree along with the rich colors of the sky. Some construction workers have come in early to renovate the park. Let me do a horizontal composition. It's time to move to the next location. I have split this video into multiple parts in order to keep each video short. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. I will post the follow-up videos very soon.